Thank you very much. It's a great honor to be with President Erdogan. Mrs. Erdogan, thank you very much. We very much appreciate you being here. First Lady, thank you very much. And I know you're going to go out to lunch after this. Great honor to have you. The border is holding very well. The ceasefire is holding very well. We've been speaking to the Kurds, and they seem to be very satisfied. As you know, we've pulled back our troops quite a while ago because I think it's time for us not to be worried about other people's borders. I want to worry about our borders. We got plenty of borders to worry about. I want to thank the President for the job they've done. Again, this has been thousands of years in the process between borders, between these countries and other countries that we're involved with 7,000 miles away. So we want to worry about our things. We're keeping the oil. We have the oil. The oil is secure. We left troops behind only for the oil. And I have to just finish by saying that the President and I we've been very good friends. We've been friends for a long time, almost from day one. And we understand each other's country. We understand where we're coming from. I understand the problems that they've had, including many people from Turkey being killed in the area that we're talking about. And we have to do something about that also. It's not a one-way street. So I just want to say it's a great honor to have you both, and thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
You go ahead, please.
Thank you. Sayın Başkan, zaten biraz sonra çok geniş detay basın toplantısı yapacağız. O bakımdan tekrar burada herhangi bir ifade kullanmama gerek yok. Basın toplantısında etraflıca her şeyi anlatacağız.
Well, Mr. President, thank you. In a few moments, we shall be having a larger scale press meeting. That's why I don't feel the need to come up with longer statements here.
I will say we're also talking about a trade deal. We do proportionately very little trade with Turkey. They make great product. We make the greatest product in the world, and frankly, we're going to be expanding our trade relationship very significantly. We think we could be doing $100 billion with Turkey, and right now we're doing about $20 billion. But we think that number should be easily $100 billion, which would be great for Turkey and good for us. So we're going to be expanding. We have our people from Commerce here. That's one of the meetings we'll be having. And having that big relationship, I think, is a very good one. So we think we can bring trade up very quickly to about $100 billion between our countries. Okay? So we'll see you in a little while. We're going to be having a press conference of sorts in a little while. It's an honor to have the President and Mrs. Erdogan with us. And they're highly respected in their country and in the region. And we'll see what we can do. But the relationship that we've had is good. And, you know, I've heard all the pundits 3, 4, 5 weeks ago. They were against what I did. Now all of a sudden they're saying, wow, that's really working well. Why are we guarding other countries' borders? We want to take care of our country. And they're saying it really is surprising what's happened. Plus we have our troops out of there. And we'll be bringing a lot of them back home. But again, we're keeping the oil. Thank you very much.
Thanks, everybody.